In today's video, we are going to learn about the Amazon interface, how we can access our products or listings, where we can review our listings detail page from the Amazon Seller Central, and how we can edit our listings to change the pricing or optimize the backend information. So first of all, we have to open up our browser and type the relevant marketplace search that we want to log in. I want to log into the USA marketplace, so I have typed the sellercentral.amazon.com. So if you guys want to log in into UK or EU, so you have to type the exact URL that you want to log in. So when we search, this appears in front of us, and when we click on the login, it asks us, or it requires the email and password on which Seller Central was created. So by providing the credentials, the email and password, click on the sign in, and we can see a page pop up in front of us which is called the Amazon dashboard or the Amazon main page. So what is the purpose of this page is, in this page we can review the overall account activity, that what is going on in our account, and if there is any performance notification from Amazon or the buyer, or any kind of update that is related to the Seller Central activity. As you can see on my screen, that here we can see the marketplaces, that how much marketplaces the account have, any orders, today's sales, and if there is any buyer messages, it can be seen on the Amazon dashboard. So this is the main dashboard on where we can just go through the details of the Seller Central account. And if we want to look into the things in depth, so we have to go for the specific tab and look up for the things, like I want to see that where are my products, and I want to update their listing details. So I will place my cursor on the inventory tab, and under the inventory tab there is first option that is called manage inventory. So I will open this in next tab, and manage inventory itself is self-explanatory, and it means that when we click on the manage inventory, we can manage our products, listing and inventory on this page. This page have multiple filters for the product status, like if we want to see the active listings, we can choose the active filter, and we can only review active listings that are currently available for the buyers. And if we want to review the inactive one, we can simply choose or change the filter from active to the inactive. And there is another filter for the incomplete listings. The listings removed mean the listings that has been removed by the Amazon for some kind of violations or the policy issues. And the next is the search suppressed, the listings that have the images or the price issue that are the suppressed by Amazon. So we can change the filters accordingly to review the respective listings that we want to see. And the next filter is fulfilled by all, means the listings that are fulfilled by the FBA and FBM. So if someone is not familiar with the FBA and FBM, let me explain that FBA is fulfillment by Amazon. It means that Amazon will fulfill the orders for the specific listing that is on the FBA model. And FBM means fulfillment by merchant or seller. It means that listings is managed and handled by the merchant. The all listings are actually managed and handled by the merchant, the seller, but the FBM is specify about the order fulfillment and deliveries. So when we say this listing is FBM, it means we are trying to explain that this listing is fulfilled by merchant. And when we say this listing is FBA, it means that this listings will fulfill by Amazon when there will be any order on that specific product or listing. So now I will choose the filter all, and here we can see all the active, inactive, and the variations that has been created for the account. So if I want to change anything for my specific product, like this is the first product that we can see on our screen. So if I want to change the price or the title or the images for that product, simply I have to slide the below bar to the very right and click on the edit button. When I click on the edit button, it landed me on this page, and this is called the listing backend page or the product backend page, where we can change or optimize the product title, content, images, price, and other backend keywords. So on the vital info page, we can change the product name, which is product title, and by clicking here we can update the title, or we can change whatever the requirement is, we can do that. And brand name is actually the account name on which we created the account, the Seller Central. So brand name and manufacturer name is almost same for all the brands, but in some scenarios the brand name and manufacturer name is changed. So that is another topic which we will discuss later. And there are some field as well which is not relevant to your product, so there is no need to update or put anything on those fields. So we can just leave them empty, and we have nothing to do with the fields which is not related to our product. So I scroll it down to the vital info, and here is all the details that can be changed or optimized. For example, contains liquid content. So I know that my product contains the liquid content, yes or no, and if I want to update this, it can be an addition for the buyer's knowledge. So yeah, if we want to change anything, we can change here. And for the variation section, it will show the product variation if we have any. This product have no variation, so that's why there is no variation information. Variations are not available for this category. In the offer section, we can change or optimize our price. We can update our sale price. Sale price is actually the price on which we can add some discount for the buyers. So the your price is the actual price, and the sale price is a type of discount price that we create for the buyers. And here we can select the date range, that when the sale price will be offered to the buyers, and when the sale price or the sale discount will end. So this is the list price, and here's the item condition. Item condition can be only choose once when we are creating the listings. And here is the log. Whatever field you are updating or working on, if you find this log, it means that this is a one-time update, and once you choose any option, you cannot change it any cost again. Here we can add any note if we want to, and here we can add the max order quantity. So if the seller or the brand owner wants to add any maximum order quantity for the specific product, they can add it here. And this is the handling time, that in how much days the product will be delivered or the order will be handled. There is other options for the gift wrap and the gift message card, which can be added and optimized as per the requirement. And this is the section, the compliance section, that can only be added for the products that are related to the dangerous goods or the products that contains the battery. So if your product is not for related to those category, so you can skip this section and move to the next section, which is images. Here you can optimize and upload any images you want. We have already uploaded images, and if we want to upload more images, I will simply click here and it will show this option that I can upload the images from my desktop or laptop, and if any images I want to upload, I can upload it here. And if I want to swap the images, like this images need to be readjust, like this need to be on the second number and this images need to be the third number, so we can swap the images. And here we can add the product description and the bullet points for the product. In the keyword section, we can update the backend search terms, which is the second most important keywords other than the title. And once we update the changes or optimize our listing backend, we can simply click on the save and finish, and the changes we have made will save and will reflect after 15 minutes to the buyers and on the listing detail page.